case of in the case of concave mirror or convex mirror, angle of incident, this is ray, incident ray, reflected ray, and angle that this is a normal, which is dotted line here. This is dotted line. We are measuring this normal. This is making 90 degrees at this point. At the point of incidence, it is making 90 degrees. Now coming to a small thing here, going to mathematics, we observe this circle or may a sphere, whatever you may take. In the case of circle, you see here, this is called diameter. I am naming this as A and B. AB is diameter. It is passing through center. And one more AB is here. This AB is not passing through the center. This is called chord. And taken again outside of that, this diameter is incidenting, or it is cutting the sphere or a circle at two different places. It is also cutting the circle or a sphere at different places, AB. And you observe this particular line, it is touching the circle at only one point. This is called tangent to this circle. This is called tangent to this circle. Clear? And when you observe this tangent to the circle and the radius which is passing through the center, it is dotted line is here, and the angle between tangent and radius is always 90 degrees. According to mathematics geometry, we know clearly this line, which is line passing through the center of a circle and a tangent to the circle, both are making the angle between them is always 90 degrees. And here also, here the same thing we are taking into consideration. And in the case of this is a dotted line and it is passing through the center. And if you draw a curve here, if you draw a line here tangent, and it is making 90 degrees at that point only, at this point only. If that point is at this place, it may be varied. ఇది ఎప్పుడు కూడా మనకి ఈ కేసులో టాంజెంట్ తోని రేడియస్ 90 డిగ్రీస్ ఎట్లా చేస్తుందో, ఇక్కడ కూడా మనము ఇక్కడ ఏమన్నామంటే సెంటర్ ద్వారా వెళ్ళేటటువంటి డాటెడ్ లైన్ ఏదైతే ఉందో దాన్ని మనము రేడియస్ అన్నాం. అండ్ సర్కిల్ను ఒకే పాయింట్ దగ్గర టచ్ చేసేదాన్ని టాంజెంట్ అన్నాం. ఈ రెండింటి మధ్య యాంగిల్ ఖచ్చితంగా 90 డిగ్రీస్ ఉంటుంది. ఇక్కడ కూడా అదే టాపిక్ మనం తీసుకుంటున్నాం. ఇన్ ద కేస్ ఆఫ్ స్పెరికల్ మిర్రర్స్, ద లైన్ విచ్ ఈస్ పాసింగ్ త్రూ ద సెంటర్ ఆఫ్ కర్వేచర్, ఇట్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ నార్మల్ టు దిస్ పాయింట్. ఇఫ్ యూ డ్రా ఏ లైన్ హియర్, ఆర్ ఇఫ్ యూ టేక్ ఏ టాంజెంట్ హియర్, tangent like this, if you take a tangent like this to the circle, if you take a tangent like this, and the angle between this tangent and the dotted line is always 90 degrees, so this is called a normal at this point only. If the point is changed to this one, if you draw a tangent here and normal is like this, so at this point if the position is changed and the dotted line which is passing through the center is called always normal. So we are taking like that. And again there are the cases are 3 cases are discussed here. If you see this,